Excellent. So now, Rosetti, call on someone else. I want to know what the Magna. Wait, this is a question actually. How many of you know what the Magna Carta is? Hands up if you know it. Know it. So forget that then. We're going to use that technique I taught you about getting the answer without knowing the answer. If you have 40 kids in a classroom, you can't expect to get to everyone in 46, 47 minutes of a class time. Doing attendance is another thing wasted if you don't know everyone's names in the beginning of the school year. If you expect to get to every 40, 42 kids in one period, it's very rare. Can it be done? Sure, but I don't think every student will have the opportunity to learn. It's not easy. Because honestly, the only problem I have in my classroom is the seats. I don't have enough chairs to go around. That's the problem. I give up my own desk, my own chair. I bring my own chair. I give up everything. So really, and then borrowing every day to other teachers, going into the rooms like, can I please borrow a desk? It becomes a mission there. Teaching isn't so hard. Honestly, I can teach 40 kids, 50 kids, if you give me a big enough room. Here? You see that? I like that, Kiara. Number 2, Kiara, call on someone. Hussein, could that be the answer, yes or no? Tell me why. When you take funding from one area of the school, another area of the school loses funding. So yes, it is. I'm not too into the funding of the school. I'm not a part of those meetings. But as a teacher, from what I hear and what other teachers talk about these things that are part of these meetings, is that if you fund one thing, you won't have funding for another thing. Glorious Revolution. What do you think it could be? We know that it was an amazing, great, major change. So it's going to be something that is very good. Positive. It's a positive. Basically, more teachers equals less students in a classroom, basically. Hire more teachers for a specific subject. Instead of even having 34, I think we should have maybe 18, 20 kids in a classroom. That would be a good number.